This green machine, weight loss smoothie, is one of my favourites of all time. What we've got here is some kale and some English spinach, both of which are packed full of magnesium, iron and fibre. Fibre to keep you feeling full. To that we're going to add some pineapple and some mango. But don't worry about the sugars in the pineapple and mango because the greens are going to balance out that glycemic load. Now here's my super ingredient of the day. It's Healthista's lean vegan diet protein. I'm using vanilla, but you could use the strawberry or the chocolate flavour as well. I'm just going to add water because the diet protein in there is going to give us the sweetness. It's got glutamine and glucomannan as well. So we blast that for about 30 seconds or until it's smooth. What a delicious breakfast option that's going to keep you full, that looks green but tastes fruity.